In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download free fonts on Samsung. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go into your settings, and then once you're on the main page of your settings, you can see the search bar there. What you want to type is font, and there you'll see font size and style. You want to click on font size and style, and right there you just need to scroll down a bit and then click on font size and style again. And there where it says font style, you want to tap on that, and there at the bottom you can see it says plus download fonts. So click on the plus download fonts, and this will go ahead and open up the store where you can get some fonts. Okay, so you can see these ones are free and some of them are paid. So go to top free, and basically you can get any one of these fonts. So for an example, if I want this cool jazz font, you just hit the download button. It will download. It's about 3.45 megabytes, and then it will be installed. And then you can go back and then go back into your settings, and there you'll be able to see the font right there, and then you can change it by just tapping on it. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.